Part 40 of chapter 3. Jalal once wrote a note to the Parwana, interceding for a disciple who had been involved in an act of homicide and had taken refuge in the house of another. Well, there's often the houses of refuge or cities of refuge laws in some countries, even to this day, but the Parwana demurred, saying it was a very grave matter, a question of blood. Jalal thereupon facetiously replied, a homicide is properly termed a son of Azrael, the angel of death. Being such, what on earth is he to do unless he kill someone? This repartee so pleased the Parwana that he pardoned the culprit and paid himself to the heirs of the slain man the price of his blood. Now, see, rather than the slavery, prisoners and stuff like this being something that the state profits on, it should be a level of compensation to the victims and the survivors of the victim, you know, the heirs and all that. But we don't argue on behalf of the guilty in that way to, you know, to excuse them. That's not Surah 4, 808 or 107 or something like that. But we should question where these crimes come from.